Sino makakadikit at unang pagkatalo? Claudio Diago Pastor Chales. Gonzales Pastor Hernandez. Hernandez Claudio Diago. Wala pa rin. Number 8 to number 6. Number 8, pass sa gitna. No good. Here comes this ball. Number 8, pass to Gonzales. Binigay kay Gonzales. Number 4, Diago. Nag-drive sa ilalim. Tumama. Laging ball number 8. Robles. First personal ball and first speed foul. Diago. Steal. Nakuha ko ng Diago. Pass to Hernandez. Tumatake. Number 12. Bumala na Chris. No good. Number 11. Number 11. Tumira. Wala. Steal. Number 9. Number 9. Foul with number 12. First personal foul and first speed foul. Hermoso. No good. Basket. Chico, magdamit ka, Chico. Chico, magdamit ka. Huwag mo kang pinag-hamster dito. Ano? Basket.
Mainit ko ang laban.
Number 8. Diretso. Hermoso. Basket. No good. Give that. Number 7. No good. Rebound. Basket.
Sama ba, oh? Back to the ball game.
Sika, pass number 12. 3-point shot. Oh, minatawa dito. Minatawa. Foul committed by number 6, Sebastian. 9 away by Hernandez. He got his ball. Number 4. Hernandez. Pass to Binga. Basket by Binga.
Ayos.
Number 5, Arce, to number 8, Robles. No good. Number 11, wala pa rin. Sebastian, to number 8. Basket by number 8. Bingka. Bingka, que de derecho. Yun lang. Jamie Alba. Number 6. Arce. Arce, lumayan ng tres. Leuke, riba number 6, Sebastian. Back to Arce. Perimeter shot, pinasa kay number 12. Pass. Ayun na. Hernandez. Number 2. Bigla. Side step. Traveling violation.
Oh.
Number 5. Mike Melendez. To the three-point shot. Number 2. Bigla. Leuke.
Naglalaban, dalawang walang talo.
Leuke. Hernandez.
Buknoy.
Hernandez. Bumitaw ng tres. Leuke. Pass break. Number 12. Robles. Same ball tayo. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Okay. To number 12. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.